Let's unbox my Kodak Charmeras. If you wanna get one, you wanna test your luck, and gusto mong ikaw talaga yung kukuha from the shelf, suggest na i-check out nyo na yung Open Source, Digital Locker, Beyond the Box, and makukuha nyo itong mga to. This is priced at 2,750 pesos. Okay, first box. Ito kasi yung sabi ko in my mind na color na hindi ko gusto. Anyway, cute naman. Cute naman. We also get parang leaflet promotional thingy. USB-C to USB-A na cord. And then finally, since it's a keychain, meron siyang kasamang chain. Okay, second box. Oh. Cute! I was hoping to get yung mga colorful and of course yung secret. Pero, I get this. As someone daw laging naka-black, laging naka-gray, laging naka-blue. Sige na nga. Follow along, I'll make a camera tour naman in the next video.